able to stay at home like I do today, full-time mom of our 3 kids. And so when I met Dave, when the business grew past multiple 6 figures a year, now over $350,000 a year, Dave was able to leave his technology career in Irvine, driving, commuting every day, back pain, you know, sciatic pain and all that, and now he rides his mountain bike 4 hours a day and goes to the movies in the middle of the afternoon. Grateful the business allows us to be full-time parents. We have 3 little ones, and we love traveling. Half trip, will travel, love all the contests that the company has for the free trips right now. This year, you can earn a free trip to Dominican Republic. In a few weeks, they're sending us to Riviera Maya, Cancun. And then later this year, they're sending us to Ireland. Last year, they sent us to Spain. We are just absolutely love this company for all the dreams that it's made. And